So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that set the time automatically has been turned on. Then you want to click on sync now. Now for the second step, you want to head over to Google Chrome, and then you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And then you want to click on history, and then click on history again. And then you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make sure that you're on the basic tab and that the time range has reset to all time. And you want to have cache images and files selected, and then click on delete data. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in internet options. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the content tab, and then you want to click on clear SSL state. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on internet protocol version 4. You want to make sure that you have obtain DNS server address automatically selected. So rather than this second option, you want to make it this option, obtain DNS server address automatically, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.